Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to ignore all the kind of errors that you might have in Microsoft Excel. So for example, I am writing something. So for example, hi, and somehow I wrote it with E at the end. So how I can actually not get the red line that must be shown in the bottom of the word when it is written wrong. Basically, you can do that through a lot of ways, but in this video, I will show you the best way to ignore them. So, first of all, guys, let's make sure that our word is wrong. So, for example, what am I going to write? For example, goody or like something like that. So, now in the normal case, it will show me the red line, but it doesn't show me because I have already activated this effect or this option, which is like before you open any like sheet or etc. So let's click here on file, and then here we go ahead and click on the bottom option, which is options. So here, as you can see, you go to proofing, and as you can see, ignore words in upcrease, ignore words that contain numbers, ignore internet and file address, flag repeated words, general and post from rules. So make sure to check all of these kind of words, and if you came in here autocorrect options, make sure to like deactivate all of these things. So for example, you can just do this or etc to remove it. After that, click on OK, and then here choose the language, etc. Make sure also to really remove this from here. So this last one, you remove the check from it if it has check on it, and then click on OK. And just like so, you will no longer have errors in Microsoft Sheet or anything of your words or work. So that's how you can work peacefully if you like have some meaning of this word in your sheet or something like that, and the red line actually just annoys you. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.